Namaskaram. Today I am going to teach how to draw the Moana. So let's start. How head angle is there, you have to draw the circle like this and then divide it eyebrow level, nose level, lip level like this. You have to divide like this according to your reference picture. When you're drawing the eyebrows and eyes, you have to compulsory see the symmetrical. Nose and lip also you have to draw according to the face angle. For hair you have to use two-side vanishing strokes, and she have a curly hair. We have to draw like this for curly hair. So this is my final sketching. Now I am going to do the with pen outline. With pen I am going to give the more details. For outline, I am using a permanent waterproof marker pen. So like this you have to give the finishing touches. Then you have to paint it. So I done my painting. This is my painting. Ta-da!